Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with EPICURE. So let's talk about the sheet pan meal collection deal this month. So all of this, which is kind of hard to see, so I'll show you guys in a second. But all of this is normally about $72 on sale for $35. So this is a host exclusive, okay? Host exclusive. So you do have to host a cooking class, which is easy. I do them online, in person, doesn't matter. I've been doing them mainly online lately because people just have no time. So basically, if you get your coworkers, anybody together and say, hey, who wants something from this amazing catalog? Here's a order form. You just have to fill it out or do it online. And if you get up to $250 minimum in sales, this could be yours for $35. Plus, you get additional $40 host credit this month until the 15th. So it's the time to host a cooking class, either online or in person. I'm getting fully booked up in person actually before the 15th, so it would likely have to be online. But who doesn't want EPICURE? So let me kind of show you guys what this is all about. So you will get this in your lovely kit. So normally $75, is that what I said? $72 for all of these things. How awesome is that? And the fajita seasoning, of course. You get our southern baked chicken, which is awesome and so much healthier than everything you can get in the store. This is my favorite thing ever. I have several. So this is our bake and roll sheet pan. So you don't have to make a mess, and it fits this pan perfectly. It's obviously not blue. It's just kind of in this plastic stuff for now. So I have a couple of these. I'm thinking I'm going to get another one because this price is just so amazing. But this is all set for my lovely hostess to pick up in a couple of days. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what that was all about. If you guys have questions, let me know. As I said, you don't even have to know me necessarily. If you would like to host something online, let me know. Send me a message. I can actually leave my group address for you guys on the bottom. Just send me a message through that and you can get all of this. Canada, US, doesn't matter. Anybody can have it. So let me know if you would like to host something because you only have until September the 15th. So we are almost there. September the 15th to get the extra $40 host credit, but this deal is until the end of the month. So it could be any time, but I mean, who would not want the extra $40 host credit, right? For literally doing nothing. So message me, talk to me. I am so happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.